I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want a quick, effective start. First, make sure the PartyBox Club 120 is powered and you know which devices are paired, because a factory reset clears Bluetooth memory. Once ready, power the speaker off and unplug it for 30 seconds to force a soft reset. This resolves many issues without data loss. If the speaker won't respond after that, keep a small tool handy for the recessed button or the next step that performs a full reset. Now you'll do the factory reset to clear stubborn faults. Power the speaker on and press and hold the Bluetooth and play/pause buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. You should see LED activity or hear a tone confirming the reset. Once done, the speaker returns to default settings and removes stored pairings. If the lights don't change, power off, wait 5 seconds, and repeat the exact combo while powering on to ensure the unit registers the reset command. Finish up by repairing your phone or mixer and restoring preferred EQ, volume, and lighting settings. This makes the speaker behave like new. If problems persist after the factory reset, make sure firmware is up to date using the JBL app, because outdated firmware can cause repeat issues. If updating doesn't help, try a USB recovery if available. Otherwise, contact JBL support or a service center. One quick tip: if connectivity still drops, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.